Meet Mollie, one of Europe's fastest growing payment service providers. With a constantly expanding international team and numerous offices in different countries, Mollie simplifies online payments, powering the growth of over 100,000 businesses across Europe, on a mission to become the most loved payment service provider. Here's how you grow your business with Mollie. Offer your customers a seamless checkout, optimized for UX and conversion. They get a professional on-brand experience that looks and works flawlessly on every device. Attract more customers by offering locally relevant payment methods. Choose from over 25 payment methods by simply activating and deactivating them from your dashboard instantly. Get up and running in no time with easy, future-proof integration, with no need for resource-heavy coding. Mollie has also designed the quickest onboarding, so you can start making money straight away. Literally. What's even better is that Mollie doesn't use lock-in contracts. That's because we only want you to stay because you're happy, not because you can't leave. Once you're all set up, you can track your payments easily and access real-time overviews of your business growth through our smart dashboard and the Mollie app. Partnerships have always been key to Mollie's strategy, right from the start. We're all about helping you to accelerate growth and expand your business. The Mollie for Magento plugin has been downloaded over 100,000 times. Use this powerful plugin to benefit from the best and most complete range of local and international payment methods, all in one integration. What's more, the Mollie and Magento integration code quality makes it a top choice for web development agencies, as verified in expansive unit and integration tests. Plus, you get friendly support in your own language when you need it. Trust these happy Magento merchants. All this means high conversion rates, easy implementation, and happy shoppers. That's the power of online payments that just work. Sounds good, right?